Welcome to PHAEYDE Clinic. Please have a seat.
Welcome, please come in.
I would like to get a hair transplant and I was wondering about the different steps of the process. What does a transplantation day look like?
I will explain to you step by step what the hair implantation day is like. When you arrive, we show you around the clinic. At 7:30 AM we begin with a short examination by our doctor, and then we will show you to your room where you will be able to relax during the breaks. And how is the procedure carried out? First, we will cut your hair in the donor area to about 1 to 2 millimeters in length, and then we outline the implantation target area. It is possible to implant among long hair, however, this is completely individual and depends on the amount. We will discuss this in more detail in a later video. The first phase of the procedure begins at about 8 o'clock. This is when the hair is obtained from the donor area, that is, the back and sides of the head. The follicles here are not genetically predisposed to hair loss, meaning that the transplanted area will not experience hair loss, even after a certain amount of time has passed. The hairs are obtained one by one with a special needle, which, in case of the FUE method, is 0.9 to 1.1 millimeters, and only 0.6 to 0.8 millimeters when using the SHE method. 1 to 5 hairs can be taken out of a group of hairs. This means that the donor area will not become too sparse. The obtained hairs are stored in a special conservation solution until the procedure in order to ensure their integrity. In order for the procedure to be completely pain-free, we apply anesthetic in several steps and in the interest of comfort. The client can listen to music or watch a film during the process. Approximately every 2 hours, we will take a break so that both the doctor and the client can rest. Lunch is around noon. The clinic will provide you with a meal. In the second phase of the procedure, we will implant the hairs that we have obtained from the donor area into the target area. We use a special implantation needle for this process. It is the same size as the one used for obtaining the hairs. Our doctors strive to carry out the implantation process with a technique that allows the client to have as thick hair as possible in the end. The hairs are implanted at the proper angle, in the proper direction and depth in order to get as natural looking results as possible. After the healing process, you will be able to enjoy your new hair. However, you must wait at least 6 months for the final result.
Thank you for the information.
If you would like to see similar content, subscribe. We hope to see you soon at PHAEYDE Hair Transplantation Clinic.